TikTok Shop is either the biggest scam of 2025 or the easiest $10,000 you'll ever make in your life without leaving your house or showing your face. No followers, no inventory, no guru nonsense. Just your phone, a little persistence, and the internet's newest cash machine. So let's cut through the hype and get into exactly how people are using TikTok Shop to make thousands per month, and how you can do it too. This is Supposedly Rich, the channel where we break down online business claims, toss out the BS, and show you what's hype and what's actually possible. Let's break it all down. Here's the dream scenario. You sign up for TikTok Shop, post a few videos, one of them goes viral, orders explode, you wake up to commissions in your inbox. Boom! $10,000 in your first month. Sounds insane, right? Well, here's the part that's actually insane. That scenario is real. It's already happened to creators like Kendall's Cash, Matt Lorian, and dozens of anonymous, faceless TikTok accounts that have gone from $0 to $10,000 a month, some in less than 30 days. But what they don't show you? The flops, the tweaks, the videos that get 68 views, the fact that one winning product usually comes after testing 5 duds. What they really discovered is a repeatable system. And today, you're getting the blueprint. But first, what exactly is TikTok Shop? It's TikTok's built-in e-commerce engine. You can either sell your own physical product, promote someone else's product as an affiliate for commission, or dropship via suppliers who fulfill orders for you. If you're new, go affiliate. It's free, fast, and you don't touch inventory. You just post videos and get paid when someone buys through your link. But this only works if you get one thing right: attention. TikTok's algorithm rewards videos with high watch time, replays, engagement, and most importantly, relatability. If your video doesn't hook someone in the first second, it's already dead. And yes, that applies even if you have 0 followers. TikTok doesn't care about your audience size. It cares about your content. That's exactly how creators like Kendall's Cash went from total unknown to $10,000 a month in under 2 months. No face, no talking, just short, well-edited product videos using UGC, trending sounds, and AI voiceovers. He tested different angles until one hit, and then milked that winner with 10+ variations. This wasn't luck. It was structured trial and error with a consistent posting system. And the best part? It's replicable. So here's the exact step-by-step game plan to launch your own faceless TikTok Shop affiliate funnel without being on camera, without spending a dime on inventory, and yes, even if you have 0 followers. Step 1. Pick a product that already has demand. This is not the time to be clever. You're not inventing something new. You're catching a wave. Go to TikTok Creative Center, sort by trending keywords and top-performing ads, or scroll TikTok Shop's Hot tab to see what's flying off shelves. Think gadgets, beauty hacks, quirky tools, anything visual that makes people think, I kinda want that. Bonus points if it solves a weirdly specific problem. One viral example, a stress supplement video that listed 10 oddly specific signs your cortisol is high. It made over 100K. From a product most people wouldn't search for unless the symptoms slapped them in the face. Step 2. Sign up for TikTok Shop Affiliate. Create a seller account, then apply to promote affiliate products. Many are instant approval. Look for items with high commission rates and good existing video performance. You'll get a custom link that tracks your referrals and pays out automatically. 0 upfront cost, 0 fulfillment work, just content. Step 3. Make faceless content that stops the scroll. Here's where most people screw it up. They post lazy videos and wonder why nothing happens. But the best creators? They treat every post like a test. You don't need to be on camera. Use UGC from TikTok or Amazon. Buy cheap B-roll. Use AI voiceovers. CapCut templates. Hell, one guy literally tossed the product against a wall for his hook, and it worked. Think unboxings, how-to demos, ASMR clips, listicles, memes. Just keep the first 3 seconds punchy. Examples: this $9 gadget saved me from spending $300. Why is nobody talking about this $14 kitchen hack? Amazon does not want you to see this. Step 4. Post daily and track your data. You need volume. Kendall's Cash posted over 40 videos before hitting real traction. Matt Lorian documented a 7-day sprint posting 3 videos a day and hit $10,000 by the end of the week. Most people give up after 7 videos. Don't. That's when the algorithm starts learning. Use analytics to track views, CTR, and conversions. If a video gets views but no clicks, your hook worked, but your CTA flopped. If you get clicks but no sales, wrong product. Tweak, test, repeat. Step 5. Build momentum and protect it. Once something hits, don't celebrate. Scale. Make 5 more videos with the same angle. Try different sounds, edits, captions. Keep feeding the wave. And while you're at it, repost on YouTube Shorts, Reels, and Pinterest. One creator went viral on TikTok, and the brand paid to boost his video as an ad. That added thousands in affiliate sales, with no extra work. Remember, you're not just creating content, you're building assets. Now, real talk, is this sustainable? What about the TikTok ban? As of now, TikTok is not banned in the US, but lawmakers are circling. The most likely outcome is a forced sale or app migration, not an overnight shutdown. Still, the smart move is to start diversifying now. Every TikTok video should also be a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, a Pinterest pin. Build cross-platform visibility so if one faucet turns off, the others keep flowing. This brings us to the most important part of the video, what not to do. If you want to crash and burn in spectacular fashion, do the following. Promote 5 random products at once. Nothing says "trust me" like desperate energy. Copy viral videos word for word. TikTok's algorithm is smart enough to bury clones. Skip the hook. "This is a cool gadget I found" is not a hook, it's a lullaby. Ignore your comments. Engagement boosts reach. Reply, react, remix. Expect magic after one post. This isn't passive income, it's active momentum until the system starts running without you. And here's a bonus mistake. Waiting. Every success story we found, from the guy making $75,000 a month with 0 followers to the creator whose supplement video made $100,000, they all have one thing in common. They started. They didn't wait until they had a ring light, a niche, a plan, a face. They made stuff, tested stuff, learned fast, and once it worked, they scaled it. So could you make $10,000 with TikTok Shop in 2025 with no face and no followers? Yes, but only if you stop looking at it like a lottery ticket and start treating it like a business. If this helped you see the opportunity for what it really is, not magic, but method, hit that subscribe button. Because every week we're breaking down these digital income myths and showing you what actually works. This is Supposedly Rich, where the hype meets the facts.